Have you ever dreamed of growing your own veggies, herbs, or flowers, but felt like you have a black thumb? Well, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the absolute basics of gardening. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a simple garden, even if you've never planted a seed before. Part 1. Why garden? First of all, you might wonder, why even bother with gardening? Well, gardening lowers stress, boosts your mood, and it keeps you active. Plus, growing your own food means fresher, healthier meals, and it also saves you money. Even if you live in a small apartment, you can still garden in pots or containers. Trust me, once you taste a tomato you've grown yourself, you'll never want to go back to tomatoes from the store. Part 2. Choosing what to grow. So, where do you start? Choose plants that fit your lifestyle. If you're brand new, pick low-maintenance options such as these 3 categories. 1. Herbs, like basil, mint, or rosemary. 2. Leafy greens, like lettuce or spinach. 3. Flowers, like marigolds or sunflowers. Ask yourself, do you want to eat what you grow or just enjoy the beauty? Also, consider your climate. Tomatoes love sun, but if you're in a cooler region, start with hardier greens. Part 3. Soil basics. Great plants start with great soil. Think of soil as your plant's food. If it's weak, your plants won't thrive. For beginners, buy quality potting mix rather than digging up yard soil. It drains better and has nutrients. If you're planting outdoors, mix in compost. Compost is basically recycled food scraps and yard waste turned into nutrient-rich soil. Remember, healthy soil equals happy plants. Part 4. Watering the right way. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is overwatering. Sure, plants need water, but not soggy roots. Here's a good rule. Water deeply, but less often. You can also test by sticking your finger an inch into the soil. If it's dry, then add water. If it's damp, wait another day. And always water at the base, near the roots, not on the leaves. And here's another tip. Morning watering is best. It gives plants a full day to soak up the water and it prevents mold. Part 5. Sunlight and placement. Plants are like solar panels. They need sunlight to make energy. Most vegetables and herbs need 6 to 8 hours of sun a day. If you're in an apartment, a sunny balcony or windowsill works. For indoor plants, you can even use artificial grow lights. And pay attention to direction. South-facing windows usually get the best light. Part 6. Essential tools. You don't need fancy tools to start gardening. Here are the basics. A trowel, which is a small hand shovel. Gloves to protect your hands. A watering can or a hose. And some pruners for trimming. And that's it. You can start simple and upgrade later if you get hooked, which you probably will. Part 7. Common mistakes beginners make. Let's talk about some of the top mistakes to avoid. 1. Planting too much too soon. It's better to start small. 2. Ignoring space. Crowding plants makes them fight for water and sun, so give each one enough space. 3. Forgetting to check for pests. Make sure to look under leaves for bugs and get rid of them. 4. Not being patient. Gardening takes time. Plants don't grow overnight, so be patient with them. And remember, every mistake is just a lesson in disguise. Part 8. Tips for success. To wrap up, here's my best advice. Start small, be consistent, and enjoy the process. Gardening isn't just about the harvest. It's about slowing down, connecting with nature, and celebrating small wins. That first sprout you see will feel magical. So that's Gardening 101. If you want to go deeper into topics like specific plants, composting, container gardening, or even balcony setups, let me know in the comments. And if this helped, hit like and subscribe for more easy guides. Happy planting!